this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 2, fractions and decimals, page number 37, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. We will understand this concept by following example. Now children, here there is in example A 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 7. So numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So 1 ones will give 1 and 3 sevens it will give 21. Now children, second example is 1 by 2 is one fraction and 1 by 3 is one fraction. If they are multiplied with each other, then 1 is multiplied by 1 and 2 is multiplied by 3. That is 1 ones are 1 and 2 threes are 6. Understood children? Now we are going to solve. Try these of page number 39. Now see children, we are going to solve it here itself. Here we will have 1 ones are 1 upon 2 sevens are 14. Okay. Now children, we have to arrange again this 1 into 1 upon 5 into 7. Okay children, 1 ones are 1 and 5 sevens are 35. Okay, now here children, again 1 ones are 1 and 7 twos are, there 1 ones are 1 we will have and 7 twos are 14 we will have. Okay children, now here see, again numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. That is 1 ones are and 7 fives are. 1 ones are will be 1 and 7 fives are will be 35. Understood children? Now let's solve exercise 2.3 children. Now see children, exercise 2.3 question number 1 is find 1 by 4 of, A question is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, B number question, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, that is C number question. So let's solve these three questions children. Now here, first A part is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Of means what children? Multiplication, 1 by 4. Now you know children, 1 into 1 and 4 into 4, that will give you 1 upon 16. Understood children? Now B question is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Now see, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5, that will have 1 into 3 upon 4 into 5, that will give you 3 ones are 3 and 4 fives are 20. So this is your answer children for the B part. Now let's see C part. Now C part is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Here again of means multiplication children. 1 fours are and 4 threes are. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. This can be reduced to the lowest fraction children. So if you, in which table these two numbers come? Yes, it comes in the table of 4. So if you divide these both by 4, you will have 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are. You have to reduce the fraction if possible to the lowest term. Understood children? Now you are going to take as a homework. Now children, you have to solve second question of question number 1. Okay children? Now let's see what is there in question number 2. Now children, question number 2 is multiply and reduce to the lowest form if possible. So we are going to first multiply. Now children, see here there is mixed fraction, so we have to convert it into improper fraction. 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8 by 3. Now children, we have to multiply this numerators and here this denominators. 8 twos are 16, 16 upon 9, and you know we know that 16 and 9 are not there in one table, so we can't reduce them, children. Now let's see question 2, second of the question number 2. Now see, children, here numerator is multiplied by numerator 2 into 7 upon 7 into 9. Now see, children, 2 sevens are 14 and 7 nines are 63. Now children, if you look at these two numbers, we see that they are in the table of 7. So 14 divided by 7 and 63 divided by 7, you will have 2 by 9. Now children, we can't reduce this to the lowest form, so we are going to keep as it is. Now let's see question 3. Now see, children, here first step is multiply this. If you multiply 3 6s, you will have 18, and if you multiply 8 4s, that will give you 32. We see, children, that these can be reduced to the lowest form if you divide it by 2. Now children, in the table of 2, 18 comes 9s, and this will become 16. So we again can't reduce this to the lowest form, so we are going to write it as it is. Now see, children, this is proper fraction because here the numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. But if improper fraction arise, then you can convert it into mixed fraction also, children. So with this, now I am going to give you homework. Take as a homework, children, solve remaining questions of question number 2 and also solve question 3. Okay, children, in the next video I will solve question number 4.